Mastering PLC Programming Software. Welcome! Today we'll explore the world of PLC programming and the software that makes it possible. PLC programming software allows engineers to design and implement automated systems efficiently. Various software options exist, each catering to specific industries and user needs. Documentation tools within the software help ensure clarity and compliance throughout projects. Debugging features assist in identifying and resolving issues quickly, enhancing application reliability. Most PLC software supports various devices, providing flexibility for users in different environments. Simulation capabilities allow users to test their programs thoroughly before deployment. Learning resources, including tutorials and courses, are often available to help users get started. Online communities provide invaluable support for troubleshooting and refining programming skills. In conclusion, mastering PLC programming software opens doors to exciting career opportunities.